Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Mikulowski with the Forex Quick Look at the Euro versus US dollar. Today's date is October 6, 2023. Today's one of those days where you either scratch your head, but you also thank the technicals for hopefully saving you. What we talked about pre the employment report were some technical levels in play, including this 1.0483 level. That level corresponded with the swing area through here, the low of the swing area, I should say, through here, where we had a number of different swing lows and swing highs going back over the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days. And lo and behold, after the non-farm payroll came out stronger than expected, the price moved down to test that 1.0483 level. Didn't really go below that level by much, maybe a pip or so, but then it started to rebound back to the upside, and what you saw right here was the price holding the 100-hour moving average after breaking higher, and then we ultimately broke back above the 200-hour moving average and held that on the corrective move down here. So all these technical little levels that we earmark, that we watch, they're there for a purpose, and the purpose is to define either more bullish or more bearish. And when this price started to take back these levels, I don't care if you sold down here, when it starts to move back above the 200-hour moving average, you start to scratch your head and wonder what's going on. Maybe I should cover, take my loss. So that's what maybe other traders have done, because we've seen the price continue its move to the upside here, and we are currently trading near the 1.06 level, 1.0597 to be exact, and moving up toward the 50% midpoint of this move down from this high, going back to September 11th or 12th, all the way down to the low price that we saw in trading this week. And the 50% retracement comes in at 1.0608. The high of this day right here, which was Friday's high, came in at 1.0616. And then we have other swing highs and lows going back to these days right through here, where swing highs, and we started to use this level as resistance through here. But you get the point between 1.0608, 1.0616. Add to that, if you go to the daily chart and you look at the daily chart of the Euro versus US dollar, this 38.2% retracement of the move up from the September 2022 low to the high price that we saw here in July of 2023. The broken 38.2 comes in at 1.06106. That too is in play because it's, well, in between all this cluster of resistance here on the hourly chart. So lots of resistance at the 1.0608 level. I'm thinking that if you want to sell, that's a place to sell now. We'll put a stop above the 1.0616 level if you're thinking about doing that, because these things can continue to squeeze, and you have to be aware of that. But sellers, if you like that area, lean against that level, and look. Hopefully, what you're hoping for is the price to rotate back to the downside. What would hurt the bullish bias overall right now? Well, getting back below this 38.2, getting back below the 200-hour moving average and 100-hour moving average would shift the bias back to the downside. So there you have it, my updated look at the Euro versus US dollar. Admittedly, I didn't expect this to happen, but that's why we trade, and that's why we define and limit our risk. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.